How to use outfit codes in Roblox. Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about getting and using the outfit codes in Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your Roblox application, or you can also go to roblox.com, log into your account, and in the search bar in the top from the home page, type in avatar catalog creator and search for it. Now select the one created by It's Money. Make sure that it's the correct one, and then tap on play. Once inside the game, tap on catalog at the top, then select any category, featured or etc. in the enter item link field and press enter. The item will appear and you can buy it for free. After you claim it, you can try it on. And that's how to get the outfits in Roblox in 2025. The items you obtained should now be in the inventory. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.